security officer, you're on the front line when it comes to discovering a terrorist situation. You're also the person that everyone will be looking to for guidance. Here are some profiles of terrorist typical behavior to help you identify suspicious activity so that law enforcement can take over. As you probably already know, the basic duties of a security officer is to observe, report, and protect. If there are any vehicles involved, make a list of the model, color, and tag number if possible. While on post, you feel or hear an explosion outside. Remain inside. Lock down the elevators and the outside doors. Have everyone go to the stairwell so that the cement and cinder block walls can protect them in case there's another explosion. Terrorists are able to put them in locations where there are many people congregating. Cars with other types of explosives can act as their own delivery system. A pressure cooker bomb is an explosive device using a standard off-the-shelf pressure cooker and inserting explosives filled with nails or other sharp metal objects. A pipe bomb is a smaller in-house manufactured device that uses a section of pipe with tightly sealed ends. The detonator is usually a dynamite-style wick. Another important part of their planning that they need to know is timing. How long it takes for the first responders to arrive at the target. To accomplish that, they will call in a false bomb threat or a false fire alarm and see how long it takes the first responders to arrive so that they know how much time they'll need to get away. In this day and age with cell phones, it's unlikely that they would use an old wind-up clock to set up a bomb, but you never know. Just in case, if you hear a ticking sound inside of a box, do not shake it. Leave it where it is and call the police.
I want you to consider everything I've been talking about. Suppose one day you're working at a shopping center and you notice a large box truck coming into the center at a high rate of speed. The truck drives up to the main entrance and stops. Suddenly, a car pulls up and stops alongside the truck. The truck driver gets out and quickly gets into the car. The car then rapidly drives away. Think common sense. You just saw something. Do you need to say something? You ask yourself, is this a terrorist attack? You jump out of your patrol car and start yelling for everyone to get away from the truck. You start shouting out, bomb, bomb, bomb. You try to get everyone as far away from the truck as you can, and you call 911 immediately. Suppose nothing happens. When the police arrive, you tell them the facts. No one can blame you. You saw something, you said something, and you did something. Think about it. What if it wasn't a false alarm and you were right? Always remember, if you see something, say something.
This concludes the Terrorist Patrol's second edition.